Yo, what's good, boys? Before this video starts, I want you guys to know I set up a reaction corner in my bedroom. I still gotta fix a couple things, but that doesn't matter right now. The only thing that matters is if you leave comments down below on this vlog and let me know what type of videos you want me to react to. I was thinking, music videos, trailers, movies, all that good stuff, but if there's any, particular videos that you guys want me to react to, let me know down in the comment section. Leave a like on this video. If you support your boy, tell your friends to subscribe. We're 10 subscribers away from 300. The goal is 1,000, but 10 away from 300. I love you guys, and yeah, I'm out. Enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Babe, I got bad news. My little cat died.
Where's the camera?
There's no camera. My cat died, babe. It's not
No,
funny.
you're not.
My cat Sammy. God. Epic fail. Hand me my freaking phone. Hey, babe. You know what Harry Styles' favorite drink is?
What? Because I really like
Water. Water. That's Harry Styles' favorite drink. Water. Can you pass me a glass?
See my home screen?
Oh.
Harry Styles!
Which from Sonic?
It's shawty, darling. Close your eyes to me and you and nobody.
Stop. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Gotta get rid of her. Alright, boys, I'm gonna get Macy with this air hose. She's about to do a TikTok. Alright, guys, today we're gonna be playing this game where you just stare at somebody and you don't talk or anything. You just make sounds, and whoever laughs first, we gotta do a dare. Whoever laughs first has to pay for the candy tomorrow at the movies, and I'll put proof on there on this video.
Oh no, that's not good.
What the fuck is he looking at? Bitch!
Oh, that was someone called for.
Okay. Alright, so we don't know the dare yet. Maybe there's no dare. Just whoever laughs first is a piece of baloney.
Oh no. Oh no. So we just make sounds. So we
Yeah.
Okay.
You go first.
Okay.
You can't laugh.
I know.
What the fuck? That was so fucking weird and uncalled for. I hope he pops his skinny ass out.
Okay.
I just stared at that little kid. I just gave him a death stare and he just went.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're starting the game now. Yeah.
No.
You suck.
Okay, one more time.
Round 2 because my girlfriend is a fucking clown.
I'll go first. Okay, now. You laughed too.
No, but you laugh first. All right,
No,
boys.
okay, round
No,
three.
that was it. There's no round 3.
No, one more time. Round 3. Round 3.
Okay, I won the first 2 rounds, so if I lose this one,
Okay.
okay, I'm still the winner.
1, 2, 3 now.
That was toxic.
so horny.
You're not allowed to say words, just noises.
Oh, I thought that was a noise.
Oh, well, that was good. That was it.
You're almost out of gas, literally.
All right, boys, that was the end of the vlog. You little bitches. No, I'm just playing. But this next part, this is why the next part is you can't see this stuff.